my team and I have approached this new fiscal year with confidence and a deepened commitment to play our part to foster safe, cohesive, and a just society. Make persons feel confident that they can deal with the Ministry of Justice.
From the lens of our cameras to your device, a massive wave of development is coming into focus as government works to deliver justice for all.
We are now improving the justice environment. And one of the areas, Madam Speaker, we intend is to put in place proper justice facilities.
In the 2021-2022 fiscal year, the Justice Ministry will begin the design phase for a regional judicial complex in Manchester and phase 1 of the St. Catherine Parish Complex. This fiscal year, too, we will notice the operationalization of the family courts in Manchester and St. Anne right after the current renovation works end.
Madam Speaker, the justice centres across the island are being improved, all the justice facilities.
The ministry is also set to begin renovation and refurbishing works at the Supreme Court.
Going forward, Madam Speaker, we expect that more courts will use technology to deal with mentioned matters, bail applications, and ultimately trial matters.
The ministry is moving along with the initiative of providing internet access to all parish courts this fiscal year. Further technological improvements will witness jury selection, case flow and docketing management, case scheduling and digital recording being enhanced through the Judicial Case Management System.
Madam Speaker, when the Ministry of Justice says that it is facilitating access to justice for all, this is what it looks like.
In addition to their training, a storage access network will be implemented, giving JPs across the island a dedicated email address under a single domain. This fiscal year, the Justice Ministry will bring forward an amendment to the existing law that will allow additional conditions under which expungement can be approved.
And I say, Madam Speaker, if they have served their time, paid their due, and after 10 years or 15 or 20 years, Madam Speaker, I think the opportunity should be given to them for their sentence to be expunged.
For those applicants who have not yet had their criminal records expunged, the Justice Ministry and the Police Commissioner are laying out options to streamline the process to make it even quicker and more efficient. In the 2021-2022 fiscal year, the ministry will be providing counseling and emotional support services to at least 5,036 new clients. They also intend to follow up with 5,000 existing clients and conduct over 10,000 counseling sessions. The Legal Aid Council plans to enroll 57 more attorneys to assist Jamaicans with criminal matters and satisfy 95% of duty counsel requests. The council also plans to assign attorneys to 90% of cases involving mentally ill detainees and provide residents living in 200 communities with legal information through the mobile justice units. Despite the challenges of a pandemic, the journey to provide access to justice for all Jamaicans remains on course.
We will continue to virtually provide those services and support that cannot be done in person. But, Madam Speaker, to quote local singer Coffee, when the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road, we are primed and ready to continue to take justice to the people